Hello, my dear students. With you, Mr. Mahmoud Askar. My students in the first secondary school. The last lesson in algebra section at Unit 2. Its title is Linear Programming and Optimization. Linear Programming and Optimization. At this lesson, we will use the previous lesson. It was solving inequalities to get the best solution. That means optimization. Optimization means getting the best solution or the best answer. Okay, let's start. A bakery produced two kinds of cake. The first kind of cake needs 200 grams of flour and 25 grams of butter. And the second kind of cake needs 100 grams of flour and 50 grams of butter. If the quantity of given flour is 4 kilograms and the given butter is 1.25 kilograms, find the greatest possible number of cake that can be made. The first step I'll consider when we have two kinds. The first and the second. The first and the second. Okay, the first and the second of the kinds of cake. And we have a quantity. Okay. The first kind of cake needs 200 grams of flour and 25 grams of butter. If we consider that the first kind is X, okay, and the second kind is Y. And we will use flour and the butter. Hence, at the first, I'll use what of flour? Yes, 200 grams of flour. And what of butters? 25. Okay. As the second kind of cake, I'll use 100 grams of flour and 50 grams of butter. The quantity given of flour 4 kilograms and of butter 1.25 kilograms. Hence, I'll construct or I'll consider 4 inequalities. The first inequality will be x more than or equal 0, because I want kinds of cake. X is the number of cakes. The number of cakes may be 0, may be positive. Then x more than or equal 0. And also, number 2, y more than or equal 0. Okay, the second kind. Number 3, from here, I want 200 grams of x plus 100 grams of y. X is the first kind of cake, y is the second kind of cake. And the possible quantity 4 kilograms. I'll consider it 4,000 because I converted it from kilograms to grams. 4 kilograms, it will be 4,000 grams. This is the possible. Then it will be less than or equal 4,000, because all the possible quantity is 4,000 grams of flour. Number 4, and the last inequality, it will be 25 of x plus 50 y, also less than or equal 1¼ of kilograms. I convert it into grams. It will be 1,250 grams. These are the 4 inequalities. After forming these inequalities, I'll simplify number 3 and number 4. Okay, we can divide it. Number 3 divided 100 in each side. Dividing 100, it will be 2x plus y less than or equal 40. This is inequality number 3. And number 4, we can divide it, each side of it, dividing by 25. It will be x plus 2y less than or equal 50. And this is the inequality number 4. These inequalities are the 4 inequalities. Okay, I'll convert it into equations to graph the 4 boundary straight lines. X equals 0. This is the equation of the straight line of y-axis. Y equals 0. This is a straight line that represents x-axis. 2x plus y equals 40. Then I'll form the table of x and y, and also here x plus 2y equals 50. I'll form another table and I draw another straight line. To form this table, put x equals 0, get y, put y equals 0 and get x. Put x equals 0 here. 2 times 0, 0, plus y equal 40, it will be 40. Put y equals 0. Put y equals 0. 2x equal 40. Then x equal 40 divided 2 equals 20. The other equation, put x equals 0 and get y. 2y equals 50. Y equals 50 divided 2 equals 25. 25. Put y equals 0. X plus 2 times 0, 0. X plus 0, x equals 50. These are the two tables. And after that, let's graph these 4 straight lines. X equals 0. Before that, I write 0 and the point, but note that we have here 20, 40, 25, 50. To get this on the lattice, then we can't use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then we can use 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or we can use also 5, 10, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Hence we can use 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 as you see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Negative. Also 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Negative. Hence we will not use the negative. We have no negative in our table. The first one was x equals 0 and y equals 0. X equals 0 is the equation of the straight line of y-axis. And we will take the positive part. This is the first one, okay? And y equals 0 is the equation of the straight line of x-axis, number 2. According to number 3, I'll use 0, 40, and after that 20, 0. 0 and 40, 0 and 40, 20 and 0. Okay, this is a straight line. The inequality contains equal. Then I'll graph this straight line. Okay, solid. This is number 3. According to number 4, 0, 25, 50 and 0. 0, 25, 25 is the middle between them. 50 and 0, this is the point, okay? And join also between them to get the fourth straight line.